Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have come up with a really exciting but a painful video how I did my eyebrow and upper lip during lockdown. So yes, firstly I took this spoolie to comb my eyebrow hair. Next, the most important thing, that is tweezers. uh, if you can get these on Nika or websites who are delivering these products right now, then please buy it because it's extremely good and it's a must have if you're gonna do your eyebrows at home. Then I took a face blade razor, a scissor, and of course a talcum powder. So you can see how crazy my eyebrow hair has grown. The last I did was in February, and now exactly after 2 months I'm doing them. Now let's start doing it. I've applied the powder because it's really important to make the skin dry around the eyebrow area so that it's easy for you to pull the hair or pluck the hair properly. Always and always pull the skin around your eyebrows properly without hurting your eyes. Don't press your eyes, just pull the skin gently, and that's it. You can see I started plucking each hair towards the direction of the hair growth itself and not from the opposite side, because that is easier and the hair comes out properly without breaking in between. Uh, Also, you should always observe your eyebrow shape and keep plucking accordingly without going overboard, because in this process it's really easy to go overboard, and that is when you will spoil your eyebrow shape. Always remember, you know your eyebrow shape better than anyone, so do it the way you want them to look. One small tip in this I would like to give is be a little faster while plucking your hair. That way it will be less painful. Eyebrows especially are very important, guys, since they frame your face and you need to be really careful while doing them. In between, I'm using a cloth to clean the extra hair which is lying there around so that it doesn't go in my eye. I am not doing anything with the front part because I want it to be thicker and square in shape, so I'm not touching that part at all. I'm just pulling the outer side, the extra hair which are on the outer end of my eyebrows. Now with the help of the scissor, I am cutting the extra hair. Also, I am plucking the hair which comes in the middle of the brows just to give it a clean finish. Now, with the upper part of the brows, there's no need to go very close to the original line. Just above, I'm removing the extra hair, and that's it. With the help of this pointed tweezer, I'm just removing the very fine small hair which you can barely see from a distance. You can see them actually when you're close. So with the help of this tweezer, it's really easy to pluck these fine small hair around the eyebrows. With this blade razor, which is particularly for shaving the face, I'm cleaning the upper and outer part of the brows. Again, I'm not coming very close to my original hair growth. I'm just cleaning the outer edges. This is how my eyebrows look. Really neat, clean and beautiful. Now with a wet cloth, I'm cleaning everything properly. And next is very soothing and very nice, that is applying an aloe vera gel. I'm taking this, dotting this and massaging gently around my eyebrows to calm down the skin and reduce the redness and all. Now moving on to my upper lips, you can see there is a good amount of hair growth here too, and again it's going to be very painful, but yeah, let's go for it. So all you need for this is a cotton thread and a talcum powder. This is the organic thread and aloe vera thread. You can buy this in any novelty store, or see again if you can get this online. What you have to do with this thread is make a loop, and the length should be small, not too much, but smaller, like you can see in my hand. Start twisting it from one side around 5-6 times, and this is how it looks after twisting. And see how it moves. You have to move it with your fingers like this. Apply a talcum powder. Again, keep that area dry. Place the tongue below the area of the lip where you want to start threading the hair. Do it carefully and make sure the skin is tight and not loose, otherwise you may cut the skin, which shouldn't happen. Observe how I'm doing it and start threading accordingly, and you can see how clean it looks later. I won't suggest you to use scissors in this area, since plucking each hair would be very painful, and the skin around your mouth is very sensitive. Threading is also painful, but it is quicker and it takes away more hair in one go, so that way it won't hurt for more longer. Now I'm applying the same aloe vera gel and massaging gently. I'm applying my favorite Laneige lip balm just to moisturize the lips, because of threading, the edges of my lip becomes really dry. So with this I end my today's video. Please like, subscribe and comment below. Bye.